invisible, and everybody knows I want you, but I've always been so invisible to you. But I'm just waiting on you to blow back the curtains, and I've been standing on the sideline waiting till the time's right to make you mine. 'Cause ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me up. Imagination is chasing after innocent love, but I've been wasting so much time living on cloud nine. Am I the only one who dreamed this up? And I've been standing on these highlights waiting till the time's right to make you mine. 'Cause ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me when I fall asleep. I'm dreaming that you think of me. But if you're just too cool, I won't be your fool. Oh, when I fall asleep, I'm dreaming that you think of me. But if you're just too cool, I won't be your fool. Ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me up. Need you to wake me up when I'm falling asleep. Girl, won't you wake me up? I hope you're thinking of me. Oh, won't you wake me? Oh, won't you wake me up? You turn into the worst of me, held on to every broken spot. I wish I never told you why I feel so close to us. Your hands still stained with colored dust, upshot from all your broken nights. Still wish I never told you why I feel not love. But is there somebody? Is there somebody? But is there somebody that can keep you close to me? But is there somebody? Is there somebody? But is there somebody that sees my state? But regret I couldn't hold goodbyes. If I said you would try to deny it once, guess I said about trying life for me. Is it better that you hurt than I? 'Cause the weather it determines sky my world. Was there ever any wasted time to be?